Today, we've got some exciting news that's set to change the way we power our homes. Scientists predict that advancements in solar panel technology could potentially see millions of households in Europe go off the grid. Stick around to find out all the details. First things first, let's talk numbers. Solar energy costs have plummeted by a jaw-dropping 90% in the last decade, according to calculations by the Berlin-based Mercator Research Institute on Global Commons and Climate Change. And it's not stopping there. Simultaneously, efficiency rates have experienced a significant boost, spurred by innovations in the automotive industry, among others. Only in Europe, more than 30 million homes could become energy self-sufficient by relying solely on rooftop solar panels. A recent study from the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany revealed that more than half of Europe's 41 million freestanding homes could have gone off-grid in 2020 using solar and batteries. And by 2050, that number is expected to jump to a whopping 75%. The driving force behind this transformative shift is the desire for complete energy independence. However, before bidding farewell to the grid, a crucial consideration arises. Lead researcher Max Kleinbrahm suggests that, instead of disconnecting, it might be more efficient to stay connected and share excess energy during periods of overproduction. It's important to note that going off-grid may not be the most economical choice. Achieving self-sufficiency may come at an additional cost. Regardless of whether homes remain connected to the grid or not, a global transition to entirely and cost-effectively covering energy consumption with solar technology and renewables by 2050 seems feasible, according to researcher Felix Kreutzig. This sentiment is echoed by a separate study from the University of Exeter and University College London, indicating that solar energy has reached an irreversible tipping point and is poised to become the world's primary power source within 3 decades. In conclusion, the future appears exceptionally bright with solar energy at the forefront of a transformative revolution. It's time to embrace this solar journey and witness millions of homes making the shift towards cleaner and greener living. If you found this update intriguing, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing for more thrilling content. Keep curious.